Here's a fun fact. You can actually predict what will be the next month's Singapore savings bond yield. That's because SSB yields are calculated based on Singapore government securities bond yields. The calculation is super complicated and I'm too noob to understand these equations. So I'll teach you a much simpler way to calculate. Just go to SGS prices and yields, benchmark issues. Change the date to the previous month. For example, I want to estimate 2022 August yield. So I'll change it to 2022 July for start and end dates. Change the frequency to daily. Then take 1-year T-bill yield, 2-year bond yield, 5-year bond yield, 10-year bond yield. Scroll up, then click download. You will get this Excel file. This is the 1-year, 2-year, 5-year, and 10-year bond yields. Under the first column, type equal average, then highlight the numbers in the same column to get the average. Do the same for the other columns to find the average. This is the current month's SSB. For the first year, both are at 2.63%. The calculation for the second year is 2.69%, while SSB second year is a bit different. This is caused by some rounding differences. So you will sometimes see a difference of up to 0.03% plus minus. For the fifth year, both are at 2.69%, and the 10th year is at 2.8%. So that's how you estimate next month's SSB. If you want a simpler way, I also found a SSB estimator by Financial Literacy Singapore. In his spreadsheet, you just need to copy-paste the previous month SGS yields and it will auto-calculate all the SSB yields for you. The result is also quite accurate with a difference of up to 0.03% plus minus. I will leave all the links in the description below for you to check out. So that's how to estimate next month's SSB yield. What you can do is wait till the last day of application, which is the 4th last business day of the month, or in this case, 26 August. Then calculate and see if you can get a better rate next month or not.